What's up, YouTube? Let's take a 2004 Ultra Classic and let's add CarPlay to it. We could talk about HomeKit. We could talk about my 2010 Audi A3, which has been slightly modified. Or we could talk about when an old dude does BMX stuff. But today we're going to talk about Harleys. You can check out the bike check video for my 1999 Road King on my channel. This video is going to be specifically about a Project 2004 Ultra Classic that I'm currently working on and how we can add CarPlay to this pretty easily. Now, this is not going to be a full installation video as the original OEM radio on the 2004 Ultra Classic had already been swapped out for an aftermarket unit. This is just the solution that I went to in order to get CarPlay on the bike. So the audio system is in the process of a complete update, but right now it has a Rockford PBR 300 amp kicker speakers, and the hand controls work via a Scosche HDSWC1 module, so that I have handlebar controls of volume and track forward, back, all of that kind of fun stuff. As I said, this is not an install video. I will say that I reused the Scosche HDSWC1 and I reused the dash kit that I had the JVC mounted in. The dash kit did take a little bit of modification using a file and some sandpaper to get the new radio to fit, but all in all it was well worth the 15 minutes or so that I spent to get it to work. And here is what I ended up installing. This is the Acoustik CP-71W. Now, the reason I was looking for a CarPlay radio is primarily to be able to use Apple Music, but more importantly, to use my HomeKit integrated garage door opener that appears on the CarPlay screen, and I figure that's a very easy way to be able to open or close the garage door from the bike. Okay, so a few things about this radio. Number one, it is only available from Walmart. It's a product exclusive to the Walmart brand, and you either have to purchase it on the Walmart website or at one of their local locations. The price in August of 2024 was $140. Okay, as I mentioned, installation was fairly straightforward. I had everything that I needed from my previous radio install. Dash kit took a little bit of modifying, but that was maybe 15 minutes worth of file work and some sanding. Once it was installed, connected, and powered up, screen is very responsive. Wireless CarPlay is great. You also have the option for wired CarPlay through the USB port. I am in no way saying that this is a super high-end radio. If you're looking for audio competition or bagger sound offs, this is probably not going to be the unit for you. But for somebody who just wants CarPlay, just wants the basic functions, and wants to be able to use the hand controls on the handlebars, this seems like a very good option. Now, prior to purchasing this unit, I did send an email off to Power Acoustic Tech Support to ask them about the handlebar control programming. Using the Scosche HDSWC1, I was told by Power Acoustic Tech Support that I should use the Kenwood code, the Kenwood wiring code. So while I had my old radio pulled out, I switched the wiring code over to Kenwood, and as soon as I powered it up, everything worked without problem. Very, very simple installation. basically plug and play, and I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. Boot time for the unit is fairly quick. You're into Apple CarPlay within probably 10 seconds of turning on the ignition. It also comes with a USB-C port on the front face for charging your phone. It came with a GPS antenna. I've hooked it up. I really haven't messed with that yet. Apparently it's got capability to play video, which I don't know how safe that would be. But you can also customize the screen background, and you have all the other little features that are built into this, which kind of add value to the whole thing and make it capable of being kind of customized for your Harley, which is cool. Overall, I think this might just be the move. If you have a 1998 through 2013 Batwing Fairing Harley bagger and you want CarPlay without having to buy that double din Metra inner fairing and then a more expensive double din radio, if you're just looking for decent sound, you want to keep the rest of the stuff that you have, this might be it. Check it out. I'll leave links down below, and thanks for watching.